Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: game updated, character able to fly, and the space pod equipped. Once done, open your inventory and place the pod in the hotbar so you can access it instantly. Make sure you're on a flat surface and face upward. This reduces spawn glitches. Press the use key to activate the pod. You'll see the boarding animation immediately. If the animation stalls, cancel and re-equip the pod before trying again. This avoids most early errors. You now configure launch settings inside the pod interface. Pick a planet or use auto-targeting for nearby destinations. Once selected, allocate fuel, balance range versus weight, and slot cargo carefully because each extra item or passenger reduces acceleration. After that, confirm crew assignments and safety locks. This avoids mid-flight ejections. Press launch and watch the HUD countdown. If you see a fuel or weight warning, pause and either jettison cargo or add fuel to restore safe margins. You complete the mission by following automated docking or manual piloting instructions. Align the reticle, cut thrust when within 500 meters, and engage docking clamps on contact. Once landed, confirm stable gravity or anchor, then press use to exit the pod. Always secure the landing zone before stepping out to avoid falls. If the pod becomes stuck on launch, relog, or re-equip it, and make sure any mods are compatible. This single troubleshooting step fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.